Do you have an upcoming exam that seems to be looming in the shadows? Maybe you have an upcoming recital or stage performance that has you a bit pensive. Or you are currently experiencing some uncertainty about a relationship. Whatever your pressing issue may be, you are in the right place. For many teens, meditation may seem like a foreign concept, but it is actually a process that can take very little effort or strain on the body or mind. In fact, one of the sole purposes of meditation is to help ease stress that you may be currently experiencing. Let's approach this experience with open minds and hearts to enhance your relaxation experience. First, find a comfortable position with your feet planted firmly on the ground. Feel the chair cradling and supporting your body. Be mindful of your posture as you sit up tall with a straight, elongated spine. Rest your hands on your desk or let them fall naturally onto your lap. Take a full deep breath in through the nose, allowing your belly to extend outward. And slowly exhale through the mouth, releasing your warm breath and allowing your belly to deflate inwards. Loosen your limbs and release any tension in your face, shoulders, abdominal area, or lower body. Now, I invite you to gently close your eyes or simply find a fixed gaze drifting into the distance. Try to tap into a feeling of ease and relaxation. Allow your mind and body to be free but present. Now draw your attention to the crown of your head. Notice any sensations you may be experiencing in your scalp. What do you feel? Slowly move your focus to your forehead, cheeks, and entire face. Do you notice any sensations here? Is there any tension? If so, simply recognize it. But allow your face to be free of any tightness or expression. Just release and relax your facial muscles. Now simply allow yourself to tune into any physical sensations of your neck and shoulders. Is there any contact between your hair and the nape of your neck? Is your hair gently brushing against your skin? Do you notice any points of contact between your skin and the fabric of your shirt? Does the texture of your shirt feel soft or rough against your skin? Next, scan your upper, mid, and lower back. Is there any place here that you feel any tightness or tension? Allow those muscles to simply relax and soften. We often carry lots of weight on our backs, figuratively and literally. So, it is important that we take a moment out of our day to notice and honor our bodies and give ourselves some love. Do you feel any warmth, cooling, or tingling sensations radiating down your spine? Simply notice. Now open your awareness to your heart chakra and torso. What comes up here? Is there anything that you recognize? Inhale through the nose, allowing all positive vibes to take over the body, and slowly exhale through the mouth, releasing any tension. As you breathe, feel your abdominal area slowly expand and contract. Now, direct your attention to your thighs and slowly work your way down to your kneecaps. Notice any sensations. Do you notice any place of contact between your pants, against your legs? What does the texture of the fabric feel like on these parts of the body? Now scan down your shin bones, calf muscles, and ankles. Acknowledge and honor any sensations here. Then feel free to loosen any kinks or tension in these parts of the body. Finding your way down to your feet, planted firmly on the ground, allowing yourself to feel safe and supported. Now, if you feel any tension in your limbs, feel free to slowly wiggle your arms or shift your legs. Take another full deep breath. Let's say this mantra 2 times. My life will be comprised of ups and downs, but I vow to love myself fully all along the way. My life will be comprised of ups and downs, but I vow to love myself fully all along the way. Now, feel free to gently flutter your eyes open and get reacquainted with your surroundings. I hope this meditation experience was enjoyable. If you feel at ease, I hope you carry this peaceful feeling with you throughout the rest of your day. Try to carry it with you home so you can inspire your loved ones to be just as open, calm, and relaxed. Thank you. Love and light.